My name is Shweihninzy and today we're going to be testing out the Ordinary's Full Coverage Foundation. I have this eyeshadow tutorial on another video, so the eyeshadow will not be a part of this video. I'm using the Pure Cosmetics and Raw Beauty Kristi eyeshadow palette. So if you want to see how to do this eyeshadow, which I'm not quite done with yet, make sure to check out that video. So I got this on the Ulta website, and you guys know The Ordinary is a very inexpensive brand. It's supposed to be just a really simple brand. You can get all your skincare from there, and again, simple, affordable, all that good stuff. So this is actually, does it say the size? It's pretty tiny. It's 1 fluid ounce, and I got mine in the color 2.0N, so hopefully that will match me. I swatched it on the back of my hand when I got it in the mail, and it looked like it would fit, so let's try this out. I use a sponge on one side, and then I use my favorite brush, which you can get in my Sigma brush set or on its own. Sigma always has sales going on. The Sigma F.A.Q foundation brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, we got 1 pump out. Covers, oh, I have a, oh no! Might have a little bit of red in there, but it looks to be maybe a little bit darker than I was expecting. It was really hard to find the right color match for me. I'm going in with like a half, maybe not even half a pump, but this is a very, it's not too liquidy, but it definitely blends out really nice. I don't feel it setting in at all, but it just feels really light on the face. I have this gnarly zit, that's right where my mask sits, and it's doing a decent job of covering it up, but I'm definitely gonna have to bring this down my neck. So there is 1 coat. I'm gonna try and turn the brightness down here. Hopefully you can see, you can still see my skin through it. So if you have any active breakouts like I do kind of on my forehead, and like I said, this big gnarly one right here, you'll definitely be able to see it. But I mean, otherwise it doesn't look too bad. Let's go in with the sponge on the other side. I'm going to use this big, and I'm going to go in with 2 pumps on the sponge here. Oh wow. Oh, I am surprised. It's actually blending out a lot better with the sponge. Okay. I did not expect that. Like, it's going a lot further. I don't know if it's because I did, you know, 2 pumps right away, but this is blending out really easily with the sponge. I don't feel like it's soaking up at all like I thought it would. Just trying to blend that into my... Oh wow. Okay, I like the sponge side a lot better. Did not expect that. I feel like I got a lot more coverage on this side too. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised, and surprisingly there's no lid that comes with it. You just twist it to prevent the pump from going down, so I thought that was interesting as well. I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I really enjoy the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I really like this one, and I use just the same sponge to blend that out. So you can see, like, I'm in between shades. Like, this is definitely way too light for me. I really like the Sigma precision brushes, so like the Sigma 40 HD brush. It just has a really nice point to it, so I can get the concealer in the corner of my eye here. Yeah, it's definitely settling into like the lines on my forehead. It's not really like setting at all. It's definitely more of a dewy foundation, so powder will definitely help you out if you're oily like me. I use the Mercier translucent setting powder. This is the ColourPop sponge, by the way, and I love this sponge. Oh my gosh. Then I'll be using my Maybelline SuperStay powder. I love the Maybelline SuperStay powder. This one's in the color 120, and then I just use the puff that it comes with, just lightly. Gonna be taking just a big powder brush to brush any of that away. All right, let's move on to the cheeks. I'll be using my Milani bronzer here. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma blush in the color Corderosa. I'll use my Ofra Glazed Donut highlight. Oh my gosh, I forgot how pigmented this was. Oh my gosh, I haven't worn that in so long. I forgot how pigmented it was. Here's Arlo. He's gotten so big. Yeah, aren't you so big? Say hello. There he is. Yeah. You're so big. Alright, so here is the completed look. I quickly went in with the liquid lipstick from Sigma in the color Fable, which is it's showing up brighter on camera, but it's a really nice dark mauve-y color. And then I set my face with the Catrice HD Active Performance Setting Spray. So here is how everything looks. The foundation looks really, really good. It just looks healthy so far. Like I said, I didn't set it too heavily with powder or anything, and the setting spray just kind of made it look more skin-like. So that is what everything is looking like so far. The time is currently 4:15, so it's a little bit later in the day, but I'm gonna wear this foundation as long as I can. So let's see how this foundation wears. Hello! So it's now 8 o'clock and I wanna take this makeup off because it just feels like really, I don't know if it's because I haven't worn makeup in a really long time, but it just feels really sticky and I'm breaking out. I got this huge zit right here and I got one above my lip, like instantly. Those were not there before. And my skin just feels like, I don't know, kind of sticky and gross. I just want to take it off. But I think this foundation is really, really pretty. Again, I think it's all because I haven't worn makeup in, you know, such a long time. My skin is still getting used to kind of wearing makeup and everything like that. But I mean, I think this foundation is really pretty and glowy, and I just have to go a little bit lighter. I feel like I barely put any on, but still. I mean, it still looks really good, I think. But yeah, I just want to take my face off. But oh, this huge hunker hurts. And this one above my lip. Thank you guys so much for watching this foundation video. Again, you have to try the makeup out for yourself because my skin is completely different than your skin. So, but this is just kind of my opinion and experience and everything. So yeah. Thank you guys, and follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. Bye!